ซิงก็ช่างเบียร์
มีเบียร์สิงหาอยู่ในห้างนั้นคนบ่ให้ขายอ๋อนั่นแฮมมีแต่เบอร์มาไหนล่ะบ่สื่อไทยแม่งลงพุ่นมาโคตรกินได้สบายดีตัวนี้ตัวโดดเด่นดอกบัวดอกบัวเนี่ย flower know that medicine
some medicine oh look same but different yeah same but different I'm going to the train station here in Hudiksvall. It's middle of November and the winter is soon coming here. And the province called Isan, and it's a really big province in Thailand, and they call it the Old Thailand. This is the poorest region in all Thailand. So a lot of people moving from Isan and go to Bangkok working there and going to other provinces in Thailand also working. But the farmers, they stay behind. And I met Sirvan like 10 years ago in Khao Lak when she works there. But she always returned to her favorite home, and that's Isan and the region Atsamat. And this nice friend can so much about Isan, so she's going to take me around and show me food, temples, natures, people. Yeah, so this is going to be really great. I just landed in Khon Kaen in Isan in north of Thailand. I have been to Isan one time before. I call it the Old Thailand. It was a very easy flight from Phuket to Khon Kaen. It took 2 hours. It cost like 1500 baht one way. It's a very small airport, I think. It's going to be very quick to come out. Very good. Let's see if my friend is waiting for me somewhere. Sirivan. Hello. So nice to see you. So now we are at the airport in Khon Kaen. And we're going directly to the Khon Kaen city, and that's not so far away, and then we're going to check into the hotel there. I don't think I couldn't have a better guide than Sirvan to show me around this enormous province of Isan. But now we're going to Khon Kaen city first. One more time.
The people stay in Bangkok. Work, live, driving for sale, and same the people from Europe.
Yeah.
In the morning, 8 o'clock, quick work. Evening come back, work every day. But in Isan, people is good.
It's more relaxed here.
Yes.
I see some guy maybe come on a motorbike, pick up woods for the fire.
Yes.
They take it langsam, yes. Very relaxed. I really love this genuine markets in Thailand where it's no tourists and phalanx. It's so much better prices and it's more genuine. Let's start it with this furniture everywhere. This is unbelievable. I have not seen anything like this in a Thai market before. So much furniture everywhere. How would I cut?
อันไหนครับ
จักบาท
เซตนี้350
เทียเลยซิปินเลย
นี่นะครับมาซื้อผมได้ของแท้ไปใช้ครับเพราะว่างานปลอมจะเยอะนี่ลูกน้องชอบไหม
Are you okay?
Perfect.
I think not long time you
Super.
big.
โอเค
Super. This is great. I love it. It's so big. Look. This street, that. But this town is just 100,000 people. It's not like Bangkok. It's a lake town. I think this is a market where everybody in Isan go to. You know. Not a farang as long as the eye can see. Oh, that's cheap belts. 100 baht, like $3 American. Oh, this is really hysterical.
ได้ไปบุ้งกระเป๋า
People and stands everywhere. You can go everywhere. Okay, we take the hotel room.
อยากได้
Shanshu Roger, Sweden. Somebody. Oh, that's the cutest. What is it? What bird?
นกกระทา
Nokan.
นกกระทา
Nokata.
Yes.
Nokata bird egg. Oh, that was just one of the market streets. It's like 5 of them. Big like this. Amazing. Ordered a sang some Coke, like a Roman Cola, and I got a bottle. I love it. I got a bottle. Oh my god.
รับรอบมันเป็นอะไรครับ
ผสมโซดา
เวลา
ของแกนโคม
Förlåt.
You can drink
I wait for the girl. Okay. My friend. Isan breakfast. You like this?
I eat with you.
But you can eat chicken if you want. You sure?
Yes.
Okay. Very good.
อันข้าวเหนียวใหญ่ปานไหนเนาะ
That's a breakfast. And sticky rice. If you never have eating a full grilled fish, barbecue fish in Thailand, you really need to do that. It tastes so amazing. But be careful about the bones. I gave the dog the leftovers and he just eat it all. The head, the bones. and as a person we are so afraid of bones when we eat fish, and now the dogs just eat it, everything. That was Aroy Ma Mak Mak. Very tasteful. And now let's move on. Rice fields are enormous here in Isan. You have them everywhere and they are so beautiful. The nature, the buffaloes, the birds. come to Isan, take a shortcut out on the countryside. These small roads, you see so much more if you go on these small roads. So if you have Google Maps or something, choose the shortest route, not the fastest route. I always do that. You don't see anything on a highway. So this is really great. So beautiful. Very beautiful.
Look here, chili. Yeah, many chili here. Look.
Oh.
The people for sale for 1 kilo 170 baht.
120
20
baht.
baht. Yes, some car come to stop here for buy go to market.
That's a lot of chili. Is it easy to do chili in Thailand or is it hard? Is it easy?
No easy.
It's
Not easy.
not easy.
Yes, can do in from land. It's water and vitamin little bit from beef. Vitamin from beef. And about 1 month, 2 months have for sale.
That's why it's little expensive. 120 baht kilo.
Yeah.
It seems poor, but he is happy to live life, not having to pay a lot of money at all. It sounds like my lifestyle.
Yes. This is my life in Isan. Before you see me in Khao Lak, you not come to Isan. You not understand everything.
No, exactly.
But now you understand. This is my life.
Now we just stop in Thao Nagai. It's called small village here in middle of Isan. And the turtles are also an animal for good luck, like the Chang, the elephant. So this is a sanctuary for the Tao, the turtles, here in Isan.
Good luck, you want win lottery?
Really nice. Just people from Sakundakon coming here.
Another people come from another country come. Not only Sakundakon. I from Rayet, I come here. Big snake, you know.
Jai Payana. Serpent.
You see many in Thailand.
The serpent protected the Lord Buddha. Aha, okay.
It's from banana. Yes, from banana green color. And this flower from the country.
I'm really long way from phalanx and tourists now. They look at me like I was from another planet when I'm up here. I love it. It's so genuine to visit countries outside big cities and the tourist areas. And this is absolutely one of them. Oh, Kapungka. Oh, look, same but different. Yeah, same but different. Mice and egg,
Cow.
corn and egg,
I can speak loud. Khao
cookie, Taurai,
for
20
320 baht.
320 baht, okay? Cup 20
3 อัน 20
Saman 20 No 20 Want you to eat it?
Yes.
Yeah. We go there. Singa, Chang beer.
มีเบียร์สิงขายอยู่ก็หังเลย
อันเพิ่นบ่ให้ขาย
อ๋อ not have it there มาไหนล่ะวะ
สื่อไทยมั่งโลกคุณราคานี้อยู่บริเวณ
อ่ะ
มาพอได้กินได้สบายดีตัวนี้ตัวโดดกิน
ดอกบัว
โดนบัว
ดอกบัวเนี่ย
flower know that
Aha.
medicine
Some medicine.
medicine from Isan ดอกบัว
Dog baw. And it's good for what?
I don't
If
know
you're sick?
for อะไรนะเบาหวาน sugar in body
เบา
if
หวาน
if many people have sugar in body
เบาหวานแก้
Oh,
ความดัน
I
สู
eat.
ง
Have much sugar in my body.
แก้ความดันป้าแก้ความดันสูง
some people go hospital have sugar
Mm.
เอากับบ่คือน้ำท่วมเมดนี่น้ำ
ของนู้นก็ถ่วมดีอยู่
ท่วมเมดมึงบ่ได้เข้าหน้าสามไรเลย
talk about water from rice
Mm-hmm.
ได้10%หน้าสามไร
Uh-huh.
rice dry and many water come
Okay.
and then
โอ้ยบ่ขอท่าหรอกเลยลูกเต่าก็บ่หาให้กินหากินเดือดจริง
ยายเป็นคนนี่บ่เป็นคนอยู่นี่เลยบ่
นี่ลุงมาเห็ดปลา
เวลาตัวพิษประเทศ have fish come you look at small fish
Mm-hmm.
many people can eat in the country
Mm. Good. Ahan Thai aroma.
ครับ
because not
ถ่าย
bad
ถ่ายยังรถน่ะ
ฮะ
ถ่ายแล้วน่ะรถ
you take a picture
ถ่ายเลยถ่ายเลย
จักรยาน
So let's continue our journey in Isan. Now we're going to Sirvan's home in Royet. What the village called?
อาสามา
Asamat. Asamat. And if we survive, we're going to have a barbecue tonight.